Hey guys, what's going on? So normally we're doing HelloFresh meals and just different stuff. Today we got in, or we did get our HelloFresh package in, but my wife decided to order some of these beef ranch steaks separately because they were on sale. So I ain't never heard of a beef ranch steak. So let me flip this over. I'm gonna show you the packages came in, and I'm gonna show you what I got. So this is the package it came in, right? I had two of these. Beef ranch steak. Never heard of beef ranch steak, but, I'm still learning. So we'll travel over here. And this is what I ended up getting. I got 3 of these medallion looking steaks. And I don't even know what that is. Peanut steak, maybe? But there is... looks pretty clean cut. Not a lot of fat really. So that might be some good in there. So we're gonna season this steak up, and then we are going to I'm gonna take you guys outside to my grill, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so we're gonna go outside here. Come on dogs. And come out here to my nice little outside kitchen. And we're going to get things going. We're going to get this grill going. So let me flip the camera again. Alright, got my propane turned on. Turn all that on. Oh yeah, there we go. So I got all 3 burners on. And what that's going to do is it's going to get my racks here really hot. I'm going to try to get up to about 550. And from there I'll be able to almost sear the steak, and then we'll turn this middle one down to lower the temperature, and we'll let it cook. So let's close this, get it heated up. Now I have a Cuisinart pellet grill. Got the smoker on the one side, there's a pellet and everything. When I did get this though, I was kind of disappointed because I got this came all smashed up, but that's alright because the wife wrote to the company and they sent me a new piece ready to go on. So I still have to put that on. There's the black stone. I haven't really used that too much. I got a pizza stone down there. Can't use it because I don't got nothing to put it in. Got my old smoker over there. So my kitchen's coming along pretty well. Let's get back into the kitchen and get this steak seasoned up, and see where we go from there. There's Tiffany. What is she doing?
Hi.
Alright, well we're going to go back into the kitchen now. Alright guys, so here we are. Got the steak. Got my magic meat powder. Yeah, it's magical. I made this the other night. I bought this jar. I think I got it at TJ Maxx maybe, but it's a nice little seasoned jar. That's going to consist of garlic powder, onion powder, salt. I use sea salt. I don't use iodized salt. That's just crap. But and a couple other ingredients. But anyhow, I got my steak here. Again, it's, I don't know, I've never made this steak before, but no trimming involved. It's very clear. So we're gonna get this seasoned up. My camera girl's outside, so I'm gonna have to set the camera down. Give me 1 second here. Alright guys, so I got the camera up on a tripod just so you can see what I'm doing here. So we're gonna get this covered up here. Now I made the mistake of using fine powder, and that's fine powder garlic powder is just the worst, and I made that mistake. Make sure, even when you're done, seasoning these, and you got your goo on your hand, make sure you're always constantly drying your hands off, and wipe off your season shaker, because you don't want to pass any stuff. Sorry guys, my brain's not working this morning. I don't really like the way that looks. I'm gonna add more pepper to it. So you got that nice peppered up. Alright. I'll get these cleaned up and check our grill, and then we'll be ready to go. Alright guys, we're out here. We're going to check his temperature, and it is right around 500, so that's where we want to be. I'm going to now shut the middle off, and we're going to get these steaks, put them down there. Nice and hot. Got this weird penis looking steak. It's a hot dog steak. I don't know. That's weird looking. But we're gonna let these go for a couple minutes, probably maybe 5 minutes, and then we are going to kind of turn them to get our grill lines going, and go from there. So let me shut this. Keep that heat in there, and we'll check on them here in a minute. Alright guys, now we're out here, and I made up, I got a concoction of butter and garlic, and that's actually fresh garlic in there that I have in here, and some pepper. And what we're going to do is we're just going to mix it up, and we're going to baste it onto our steak just before we flip it. Look at that. Look at that nice fresh garlic on there. Oh, these are going to be delicious. Now, most of you guys I know are probably like, oh, you got to make that steak medium. You got to make that steak, raw, rare, medium rare. So everybody likes medium rare steaks. Now, unfortunately, in this family, we like them well done. However, I do like medium rare every now and again. I should have listened to the wife. She had an idea thinking that these were going to swell up, and they did swell up. So next time I know to flatten these out. So we're going to go like that. Look at these nice grill marks I made on here. We're just going to flip that over. Flip that over again. Flip this one over. Probably going to take some time. And again, we're going to take this butter, and we're going to baste the tops of them. You can use oil, you can use butter, or maybe you have a glaze you want to use. I have a nice bourbon glaze that I found that I use. You can get it at your local Walmart. Kind of worried about this end one here. I have a feeling these might come out tough, but we'll see. Alright, so I got that going down. So we're going to close this up, and we're going to see what happens, and we'll check them here in a minute. Alright guys, so here we got our steaks out here. Now, here's something really cool about this. There's for the smoker, I got probes, right? So we can check the temperature of our meat. So I'm going to set the camera down real quick. Alright, this works a lot better when I have somebody filming me. But, so I got the probe in there, comes by, and right now, see, it's reading at 145. Now a lot of y'all are like, perfect, take it off, medium rare, that's where we want it. But we're looking for right around a good 165. My son now, he loves his steak pretty much around this, so I'm probably going to take one of these off for him, since, you know, he does eat meat. So I'm going to close this up for now, and I got to go start my fries, because we were having steak and fries for lunch. Alright, you guys, so I took my son's steak out. It's really, these steaks are kind of really weird. It's nothing I'm used to, so I don't even know the texture of it, if it's going to be tough, or how we should have cooked this. We cooked it up in slithers, or tips, or whatever. So, anyhow, so while his steak's resting, I'm going to take it into the house, and we'll go from there. My steaks are almost done. I got my fries cooking, so we'll see how it cuts and what it looks like here in a minute. Alright guys, so on a note, as I got this, it's new, this grill's new, and like I said, we were checking out the temperature down here with the probe and everything. Now, I think with it being in the grill, and I think it messes up with the heat about 10 degrees when it's down on the flat rock, but when you have to move it up on the rack to get an accurate temperature, and I failed to do that. So it works great in the smoker, but if you're going to use it on your grill, be sure to, you know, elevate your steak or your chicken or whatever up to the next rack. Or if you have handy, a digital thermometer always works great too. So I'm going to pull these steaks off, let them rest, and we'll look at the final cut. Alright you guys, so we got our steaks. Got a nice knife here. Let me just start cutting into it. It comes out, it actually cuts pretty nice. Sorry. It's nice and tender. Well, overall it does taste pretty good. So we got the steak. Overall it's pretty good. The blend we used, it does got some garlic hint to it, so you know, it's pretty good. Alright guys, so I got it done. If you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe below. I'll probably have more videos up of us cooking more meats on the grill. I got some pulled chicken in there. I'm probably going to be doing that here soon. So stay tuned for our next video, whether it's cooking, whether it's goodwilling, whether it's pallet flipping. Who knows what we're doing. We might even go on a mystery trip to a cave somewhere. Who knows? Alright guys, till next time.